and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Imagine having access to unlimited VPS hosting for your unlimited websites and unlimited domains for the next 3 years at a low, one-time price. No more paying monthly bills to shared hosting, which opens your website slowly and makes you lose. Presenting Host Legends. Ultra-fast, safe shell, virtual private server hosting. Highly secure hack-proof hosting. Keep all your websites 100% secured. Host unlimited websites and domains. Ultra-fast website, loading like rocket. Save thousands of dollars yearly, no monthly payment hassles. Unlimited bandwidth, cloud storage, premium DNS. Create and use unlimited email addresses. No more paying monthly to G Suite now. Free SSL for every domain. No more paying for HTTPS for your domains. Automated daily backup. Never lose your data. Install WordPress in just one click. One-click installation of 450 plus website apps. And it has cPanel, that too without any monthly fees. Just imagine so much for 3 years in just one time at a small cost. Over 6,000 happy users trust Reed as 10 times hosting to run their businesses, websites, and e-commerce stores online. If you are tired of paying hundreds of dollars monthly for hosting websites, if your hosting makes your website load slowly, which in turn lowers your visitors and makes your sales loss, and if your hosting solution security is weak and your website is hack-prone easily, you need to cancel that monthly subscription right now, because hosting is the backbone of every online business, and having the wrong solution can slowly kill your business. We have all seen it at the start of our online career, where we get an idea for a new product or business. We buy a domain with confidence, make a website, and then you're stuck. Your website is slow like a sloth, where 80% of visitors leave before it even loads properly, making it a huge prospect loss for you at the start of your career. We have all seen it at the hands of those big hosting solutions that fail to deliver. Money wasted, time wasted, with little or no success. And this is where most entrepreneurial dreams die. We all have gone through it, felt the pain, seen it slipping away. Not anymore. Host Legends is here. Complete hosting solution in one-time fee, which gives you ultra-fast speed for unlimited websites for 5 times more traffic and sales and business. It's so easy to host a website on Host Legends that even Granny can do it in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log in and enter domain details. Step 2. Set up and host unlimited websites. Step 3. Publish and profit. Your fast-loading, secure website will be up and running in Host Legends in a few minutes. Easy, isn't it? Let me show you some of the powerful features that make Host Legends the ultimate game changer. Number 1. Host unlimited domains and subdomains. There are no hidden charges or tricky pricing. You can host as many domains as you want without any restrictions. Number 2, create unlimited email accounts on unlimited domains for your team or clients hosting unlimited emails, including forwarders, autoresponders, and a lot more features. Number 3, cPanel Control Panel worth $20 per month for free here to ease the operations like downloading and uploading of files, managing DNS, creating subdomains, add domains in just a few clicks. Number 4, free SSL certificate for all your domains so that your visitors don't see a big red error that your site is not secure. Worth $50 to $200 for SSL certificates, and you get that free for unlimited websites with 10 times hostings. Number 5, unlimited bandwidth. Imagine having unmetered bandwidth to scale your business without restrictions at no extra cost, even if you get extra traffic to sites. Number 6, 450 plus website apps ready to install in one click. Imagine having tons of apps to any type of app like WordPress to set up a website on your domain with one-click auto-installer. Number 7, 10 GB cloud storage for free to store your personal data like files, images, videos, without paying hundreds of dollars to services like Dropbox and Amazon S3. Number 8, Premium DNS will give your online business secure, global, ultra-fast DNS uptime. Number 9, Cache Boost loads your websites with ultra-fast speed, even with heavy traffic. Number 10, malware protection and spam monitoring tools to save your website and business from malicious elements online. 10 powerful features, and we are not done yet. Number 11, easy migration process to shift your website from an existing system to Host Legends in no time. Number 12, unmetered DDoS, mitigation to protect your site against malicious traffic. Number 13, super fast uplink to upload your files with blazing fast speed without waiting for hours. Number 14, Cloudflare, CDN integration for faster web page load times by serving content from locations closer to the user. And I've saved the best for last. Free drag and drop website builder to build your site with ease without any coding or designing skills. Along with tons of features like auto-updating OS, managed WordPress hosting, dedicated health monitoring agents, FTP support, incredibly fast RAID storage, 99% uptime guarantee, and help from 24/7 dedicated support team, which makes Host Legends an ultimate game changer. Plus, we'll give you over $300 in advertising credits from companies like Google to kickstart your business. Host Legends integrates with all major 450 plus applications in the world. It comes with a commercial license, which is a golden ticket for you to make easy $5,000 to $10,000 every month by hosting website of your clients right inside your dashboard in 3 simple steps. As part of Host Legends' special launch period offer of 5 days, we will ship all your websites into the Host Legends system to give you ultra-fast, blazing websites for 400% times, more profits, while you can sit and relax. We are also backing it up with a 100% ironclad 30 days. Yes, 30 days money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free for a try. World-class system is here with unlimited hosting for your unlimited websites and domains, with unlimited email accounts on unlimited websites, free SSL certificates for each of your websites, cPanel for centralized control, hacking and malware protection for 100% website security, unlimited bandwidth, cloud storage, premium DNS, one-click installation of 450 plus website apps, and 50 plus amazing features that no one else can dare to give a one-time low cost like us. Host Legends will be turning into monthly recurring after this introductory launch phase, so click the button below to get it at a one-time low price before it turns into a high monthly recurring like Liquid Web, known host Amazon S3. Get your sites on ultra-fast hosting, Drive more traffic and sales with Host Legends, world-class, safe shell. Hosting solution for a special discounted one-time cost. Offer expires in next 5 days forever.